destinasyon ng tree walking trail dito sa Bani, isang lihim na paraiso ang naghihintay, ang Polipol Island. After that long and peaceful walk through Bani's forest trails, this is the perfect reward, Polipol Island. Isa sa mga top tourist spots ng bayan at maituturing na biyayang mula sa kalikasan. With its powdery white sand, clear aqua waters, and breathtaking views of the West Philippine Sea, Polipol is the perfect place to slow down and soak it all in. Kung trip mo lang magbabad sa araw, mag-picnic kasama ang pamilya, o mag-chill sa ilalim ng puno, this island gives you the peace you didn't know you needed. Magdala ka lang ng tent, konting pagkain at good company, at may instant tropical escape ka na. Masarap dito, tahimik, simple, pero sobrang ganda. Pero kung gusto mong may konting thrill, huwag palampasin ang cliff jumping. May spot dito na 15 feet ang taas. Safe, exciting, at may tanawin na pang postcard. Ito yung cliff diving area nila. So, sobrang ganda. Cliff diving with this view. Perfect. And don't forget to look around. Sa taas ng isla, may fossilized clams na matatagpuan. Rare find yan at perfect pang selfie. Tunay na biyaya ng Pagkasinan. Wow! This is beautiful! Cliff jumping, sunbathing, tent life, at isang magandang picnic by the beach, lahat ng yan ay pwedeng pagsabayan dito sa Polipol Island.